Just high for my 45, don't get out of line. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Good morning, y'all. Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's vlog. I'm just gonna hop right in, and we're getting started with this day. We have a whole list of things that we have to get done. I'm literally, I am still in the bed. I haven't got up, not once. My feet have not even touched the floor this morning. So, raw and uncut, like right now. And I just wanted to come up here and get the day started. So, I have a few things on my list that I have to go through today. Hey, y'all. So, I decided I'm going to go ahead and head out. Head out the house. I took my lashes off. I look real crazy. No, I don't. I actually don't look too bad. Y'all see the house. I have to come back and take care of all of that, plus my room, plus go down my list. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and hit the streets for about an hour, hour and a half, get the things that I need to be able to get this house organized within 24 hours. Okay, I'm maybe 48, but that's the goal. So I'm going to go down my list. I'm only going to get the things that I need. Okay, so the first stop I think is going to be the hair store. There's 2 stops, so I got my coffee. Here's the outfit. Y'all like my little hat? Let me fix it first of all. I mean, it ain't much to fix, but I'm in love with it. It looks so cute. So I have on my TikTok shop 2-piece. Let me flip it. So I have on my TikTok. This hat is from TJ Maxx, I think. TJ Maxx. The vest is from Ross. I like this vest because it has the inner Sherpa, I think it's called, whatever. This little fur warm stuff. It does not have a hood. It has drawstrings, but it's from Ross. It was like less than $15. Then I have on this 2-piece set from the TikTok shop, which the brand is Lovely Wholesale, so you can go to their website or TikTok shop. I have on these blazers from, I don't know if I got these from Nordstrom's, Macy's, or somewhere online. But got these for my early birthday gift. We're about to start our movie and make s'mores and possibly hot chocolate out here in the backyard. Can't really see a lot because it's dark, but didn't do as much as I wanted to do, but we did enough. And we're gonna watch the Candy Cane Lane with Eddie Murphy. So come join me. I don't know.
Don't hurt.
Well, you ready for the movie?
What is it called?
What? The Candy. Aren't these so cute? All right, so we're ready. We got the hot chocolate tray done, and then we're gonna do the hot chocolate outside.
Ma, you don't want chocolate? I mean, a marshmallow?
A toasted marshmallow?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh no, I'm good. I don't want mine toasted.